Hello, my name is Matt Knopf. I'm with P&G Technologies out of Michigan. We're a supplier of forklift propane parts and forklift kits. Today we're going to be showing you what comes in a Komatsu forklift kit. This covers the ZA and ZB series. It's the model numbers FG15S, the FG15SH. It covers the FG115H, the FG18H, also covers the FG20S and the FG25ST11. Now this has the Nissan H20 engine in it. We're going to show you the two kits that we carry. One is the KC, which stands for Kit Complete, which will be for a forklift that's on gasoline. So you'll get your brackets, everything all the way to your carburetor. The only thing you won't get is the LP tank itself. The Kit Partial is for just freshening up an older system that you have on the lift truck and you want to update it. So we'll go ahead and show you what comes in them kits. Okay, now the kit we have up here is the KC kit. This is what will come in it. You'll get your brackets to hold your tank, all your hardware to fasten it to the counterweight, your toggle clamps to fasten your locks down for it, your locating pin. You'll get your vapor hose from your carburetor to your regulator, your high pressure hose, vacuum hose. You'll get your water hose. You'll get your connections to the tank with your 7141F along with your bulkhead. You'll get your complete regulator assembly with its bracket to mount it. All the hardware to plumbing for your water. We give you a pipe compound for all that. You'll get your fuel pump cover block and gasket along with tie straps, hose clamps. It comes with everything you got here. Now the most crucial part about the kit obviously is the carburetor, because you got to make sure all your linkage hooks up. So on this one here, everything will be pre-built for you. All your linkage will be done. Everything will be set for your dash pod bracket, your cable linkage. Now we give you a spacer to go in between here, because when you mount this to the intake, your stop lever hits. So we'll give you that so you don't have no issues with that. Now with the partial kit, obviously you won't get your tank brackets, none of your latches or your hardware for that. You will not get your bulkhead assembly hose along with your 7141 tank connection, but you'll get everything else under the hood here. So that's basically what comes into that kit there. Okay, that shows you what comes in the Komatsu forklift kit, the KC and the KP. Again, this covers the series ZA and ZB model. It has the Nissan H20 engine. For all the model numbers, again, we'll list it on the screen. If you're interested in purchasing this kit, you can go to pngtechnologies.com, or we could be reached at 734-992-2648. I want to thank you for watching this video. I hope it helps out. Have a wonderful day.